kuan diya kanang sa karnaping is nasi kuan kanang penalty is imprisonment of 20 to 30 years. So ang penalty niya is reclusion temporal to reclusion perpetual. So masyadong kuan mataas yung penalty niya. So proceed sa the Anti-Cattle Rustling Law of 1974 Presidential Decree number 53. So ang punisher the crime of cattle rustling, before nating i-discuss ang crime nito is define muna natin kung ano ang large cattle. So ang large cattle include the cow, carabao, horse, mule, ass, or other domesticated member of the bovine family. So cattle rustling is the taking away by means, method, or semi without the consent of the owner, raiser of any large cattle with or not for profit or gain, or whether committed with or without violence against or intimidation of any person of force upon things. It include the taking of large cattle or taking its meat or hide without the consent of the owner raiser. So ang cattle rustling daw is sa kanang kwamitaw kanang pangpangawas sa large cattle, then instead na qualified thief yung crime niya is under po niya sa number 533. So previously po kasi this is consider yung qualified thief under po niya sa revised penal code. So proceed sa duty of owner raiser to register. The owner raiser shall before the large cattle belonging to him shall attain the age of 6 months register the same with the city municipal registrar where such large cattle and race. So kuan siya kanang kailangan daw is naka-register imong large cattle. So sa clearance for shipment of large cattle is any person, partnership, association, corporation, or entity desiring to ship or transport large cattle. So kuan ni kanang kailangan po di ay kanang nakay permit nga may transport yung large cattle nimo. Then sa presumption of cattle rustling, every person having his the possession, control, or custody of the large cattle shall upon demand by competent authorities exhibit the permit of registration or clearance for shipment. Failure to exhibit the required document shall be prima facie evidence that the large cattle in his possession, control, or custody are the fruits of the crime of cattle rustling. Gingon po diri sa presumption of cattle rustling is kung nakay large cattle dapat naka-register na kay, for example, nang ibihin nimo nga ibihin nimo sa ka lugar, so kailangan po nimo nga nakay certification kung gipangitan ka og kanang registration or certification is kung wala kay kanang ipakita nga ma-presumption po ito dahil galing sa nakaw yung large cattle. Kay nganong dapat naka-register na imong large cattle para inig mubihay kag layo nakaipakita nga mga certification. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.